Okay, here he's out there. This is a big flicker. You can see who he is this time. He's heard him pounding on that vent cover inside. I'm hoping he does it again on film here again. Oh, now you're not going to do it. There he goes. It sounds really loud inside. I hear the other birds in the neighborhood too. He's listening for responses because I've heard other houses also getting drilled like that. Pretty smart that they realize that it amplifies the noise throughout the neighborhood. Yep. Weird. Out here it looks cute. Inside it sounds very annoying. Trying to see if he does it one more time. There he goes.